Now, the northeastern counties of Wajir and Mandera are on high alert after 2 of the people who crossed into the neighboring Somalia tested positive for the new coronavirus, bringing the number of cases in the 2 counties to 10. Well, governors from the 2 counties that neighbor Somalia have maintained that the only way to stop Somalia's increasing cases from spilling over into Kenya will be locking out anyone from Somalia by restricting movement along the border. And Oxycolia reports.
They have been living normally in extraordinary days. They have given government directives aimed at curtailing the spread of COVID-19 a white bath. They are simply not wearing face masks, nor considering the social distancing policy. And for those who have face masks, they would rather have them in their hands or hang them on their shirts. But the latest update from Wajir County government has left a sense of fear in the northeastern county.
On the 6 people in quarantine at KMTC facility, returned with 1 positive case for COVID-19.
This was on Thursday, and 24 hours later,
the county has registered an additional case of COVID-19, bringing the total number of confirmed cases to 2.
The 2 positive cases have sent shivers down the spine of many residents in the entire northeastern region, as this pass the number of cases to 10, with 8 of the cases recorded in neighboring Mandera County. The 2 cases were among 4 people who were placed in quarantine after returning from the neighboring Somalia, where they had gone to sell their livestock.
Hata kama relative wako alikuwa ameenda ama ametoka Nairobi, tafadhali recommend that kama umetoka kwa ile areas ambayo iko suspected, afadhali mtu quarantine ama aende hospitali seek the necessary assistance.
Kenya and Somalia share a porous border where people cross at will, and that poses danger to Wajir and Mandera counties. Somalia has already 600 positive cases for COVID-19, and the curve is on an upward trend.
We appeal to the non-state actors to provide support to our neighboring towns of Bulahawa and Elwak, Somalia, as urgently as possible.
Governor Ali Roba says if numbers rise exponentially, then the county health facility will be completely overrun by patients requiring treatment.
We urge our public to avoid cross-border movement during the period of this pandemic.
Oxycolia, Citizen TV.